Hello everybody, welcome back for another video. Today I'm showing you this page we're going to talk about Oliver. Oliver, it's Tomy, right, as you can see in the image, comes with the two coaches, and most of the people talk about this model engine being sold for, overpricing model engine. So for today guys, I will show you that this model engine, you can find it on hobby search, this page right over here, and it cost 2,160 yen. That's about $20.80. so this is the place where you can go and buy this model engine. It's not really expensive. At the moment there are no any available, but you can keep tracking this page, and of course you might find this model engine really low price. So right here you can see Oliver. It's the page where I used to buy this model engine and sell them as an eBay seller. I used to sell them really quick. I sold around 50 of these. Unfortunately, it takes time from Japan to get it delivered to our country here in the US. And well, I hope this is a good reference where you guys can go and find this model engine. Hobby search, and you can type T10 Plarail Oliver on the page, so you will be redirected to this page where you can find Oliver with the two couches. So for those who are buying, sorry guys, if you are buying this for overpriced, just go to this page, so you're gonna save a lot of money. Right here is the real price, $20.80, around $20.80. Right there, I used to get them for a really low price. So I hope you guys like this video today, and thanks for watching. Bye.